Bullish Chia cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $135.48 and $295.04 by 2030. Market experts accept XCH could reach $135.48 by 2025. Bearish Chia market cost expectation for 2022 is $24.08. Chia presentation. Chia organization is a Layer 1 blockchain that utilizes its handcrafted programming language, Chia, and a clever agreement instrument known as Proof of Reality. This blend permits the blockchain to utilize less energy while keeping up with network security. Dissimilar to most blockchains, Chia organization is a public, for benefit, open-source organization that tries to be recorded on the NYSE or NASDAQ. Since its blockchain is planned for big business use, Chia organization needs to keep XCH on its monetary record in case of a posting. With the expanded ubiquity of the Chia organization, crypto merchants are contemplating whether it merits putting resources into the XCH coin. This digital currency guide will uncover all that you want about the Chia organization and its highlights. By and by, our essential spotlight will stay on the Chia network cost forecast from 2022 to 2030. What is Chia organization? Chia is a Layer 1 blockchain with remarkable elements that put it aside from others, ChiaLisp and Post. ChiaLisp is a programming language that, when joined with Post, the agreement component is known as evidence of existence, which permits the Chia stage to consume less energy while keeping up with security. Post has further developed network versatility by using less assets. Moreover, ChiaLisp has worked on the method involved with making and creating dApps on the stage. The shared installment framework in view of this convention has killed market shortcomings by using a decentralized methodology. How does Chia Organize work? Chia organization capabilities on its blockchain with the assistance of its novel elements. ChiaLisp and Post. Chia planned this agreement system for their organization with the consolidated elements of confirmation of stake and verification of work. It establishes the groundwork for the blockchain to work. Evidence of room. Chia clients save their hard drives for unused capacity to accomplish smooth mining under this instrument. Excavators are expected to introduce programming that makes free space. The free space is used in addressing difficulties. The product introduced permits diggers to gather cryptographic numbers. Each number is taken with the production of a solitary block. Evidence of time. The hubs that carry out the role of recording time are known as time lords. The irrefutable defer capability characterizes the way of these hubs. Verification of time utilizes this capability to exhibit and record time to perform evidence of room capability. ChiaLisp. ChiaLisp is the by-and-by made language by Chia organization. This savvy contract language chips away at the CVM and is utilized by the Chia stage to figure out the twofold spending issue. To carry out this role, it tracks the condition of the blockchain, guaranteeing security during exchanges. The language has fundamental parts of the top digital money blockchains like ETH and Bitcoin. The language is direct to review and completely secure. Notwithstanding these two different elements guarantee security on the Chia stage. Clawback escrow. When an exchange has moved from the Chia blockchain to another, the client can paw back his assets with clawback escrow. It permits the shipper to add a period in which he hooks his sum back. Shaded coins. These hued coins save their holders from streak advances of dApps on the blockchain, making transient worth. Paper wallet that moves gradually. This element permits clients on the blockchain to store savvy exchanges in their wallets. The cycle gets more slow, and the clients get time to recuperate their resources in their advanced wallets. Chia organization coin outline. Shaded coins separate themselves by permitting monetary organizations and legislatures to give on-chain resources. The XCH shrewd coins have furnished engineers with a few capacities, including multi-signature, nuclear trades, paper and computerized ID wallets, withdrawal escrow and rate cutoff points, and shaded coins. Clients can take an interest and complete exchanges utilizing the XCH token. Clients can get to the Chia convention's highlights assuming they own XCH coins. Coinbase doesn't right now uphold Chia. Be that as it may, Huobi, Gate.io, Uniswap, KuCoins, and OKEX acknowledge XCH coins. Chia current cost. Chia is as of now worth $30.11 USD. XCH has moved 1.19% as of now with an exchanging volume of $4,207,126. Chia is as of now positioned 131 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $171,309,390 USD. Using the general strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union disparity from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Chia to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize constant Chia market information and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market action. Chia Value Forecast 2022. Chia, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The XCH cost figure for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $45.16. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be steady, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $42.15 in cost is very aggressive. However, it is possible sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and progressions. XCH is supposed to have a base worth of $36.13. Chia value expectation 2023. In 2023, Chia XCH cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of XCH will before long outperform $75.26. Nonetheless, we ought to hold back to check whether the XCH's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, XCH will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $60.21 and a typical exchanging cost of $66.23. Chia value expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $105.37 and XCH might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. XCH is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $96.34 and a low of $90.32 in 2024. Chia value forecast 2025. As per our projections, XCH will be green in 2025. The XCH is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $135.48, with a base cost of $120.42 and a typical cost of $126.44. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the XCH cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $156.55 by 2026, with a base cost of $150.53 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, XCH has a most extreme value worth of $165.58. Chia value expectation 2027. On the off chance that XCH figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $195.69. Neglecting to assemble the help XCH needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $180.64. Chia value forecast 2028. While XCH is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $210.74 and a yearly cost close above $225.79 in 2028. Chia value forecast 2029. By 2029, Chia will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. Chia